Hello student, good morning. Are you ready? I am going to discuss power in AC circuit. The rate of loss of energy in an electrical circuit is called power. It is equal to the product of the voltage and corresponding current. SI unit of power is watt. The power of AC circuit not only depends on the magnitude of voltage and current, but it also depends on the phase difference between AC current and AC voltage. Let for any AC circuit, there is a phase difference between the AC voltage and AC current be phi. Consider applied voltage across AC circuit V. Capital V equal to V naught sin omega t, and at any instant current I equal to I naught sin omega t minus pi, then the instantaneous power in the circuit P equal to voltage into current means V naught sin omega t into I naught sin omega t minus phi. Power equal to V naught into I naught sin omega t. This may be written sin omega t minus phi sin omega t cos phi minus cos omega t sin phi. P equal to V naught into I naught sin square omega t cos phi minus sin omega t cos omega t sin phi. P equal to P naught V naught I naught sin square omega t cos phi minus 2 sin omega t cos omega t upon 2 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 into sin phi. P equal to means power equal to V naught into I naught sin square omega t cos phi minus 2 sin 2 omega t sin phi. For one complete cycle, sin in square omega t equal to 1 by 2, and mean value of sin 2 omega t equal to 0. There is a bar for the mean. Hence, average power of one complete cycle P bar equal to half V naught I naught cos phi, because this sin square omega t bar equal to 1 by 2 put here, and cos phi into this term become 0, so that P bar equal to 1 by 2 V naught I naught cos phi. It may be written V naught by root 2 into I naught by root 2 in the place of 2, here root 2 into root 2 cos phi. This is V naught root by 2 V RMS, and I naught by root 2 I RMS, root mean square value of voltage and current into cos phi, where cos phi equal to R by Z is known as power factor. Power in AC circuit depends on the nature of the circuit. First I am taking here circuit containing pure resistance R only. We know that the current and voltage in same phase means phi equal to 0, cos phi equal to 1. This is a maximum power factor. Hence circuit containing only the pure resistance, then power of this circuit P bar equal to Vrms into Irms cos 0 means P bar equal to Vrms into Irms. Circuit containing only inductance or only capacitance L or C, in both the case phase phi equal to pi by 2, their cos pi by 2 equal to 0, then there will be power, average power will be 0. If circuit containing the inductance, capacitor and resistance, then tan phi equal to omega L minus 1 by omega C by R, as this impedance circuit with the help of and then P bar equal to VRMS IRMS cos phi, where cos phi equal to R by Z. After this, come on this P bar equal to VRMS into IRMS. Put the value of cos phi R by Z in the place of R upon R square plus omega L minus 1 by omega C whole square, where Z equal to root R square plus omega L minus 1 by omega C whole square. If C is 0, means capacitance in circuit is 0, then P bar equal to VRMS IRMS R upon R square plus omega square L square. If inductance L equal to 0, then P bar equal to VRMS into IRMS into R upon root R square plus 1 by omega C whole square. Wattless current. What do you mean by the wattless current? Means there is flow of the current without loss in power in the circuit. If the circuit contains only the inductance or capacitance, then we know that phase difference between voltage and current will be pi by 2. Pi by 2. Then P bar equal to VRMS into IRMS into cos pi by 2, that is 0, so that power will be 0. But practically it is not possible. Even we define if the resistance of AC circuit is 0, means circuit containing only inductor of inductance L or capacitor of capacitance C, although current flows in the circuit, if the average power remains 0. Means that is that there is no energy loss in the circuit. Means without loss of energy, current maintain flow. The current in such circuit is called the wattless current. For wattless current, phi equal to pi by 2, P var equal to VRMS into IRMS cos phi, P var equal to 0. But ideally it is not true, because all the circuit having some resistance.